my name is Danika. I'm studying second class. Today we'll learn 9 table with fingers. Interesting? Yeah? Okay. 9 wonder. Equal to take fingers 1. So close first finger. How many? 9. We count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. 9 to the. How many? 2. So the close second finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 18. 1, 8. 18. So here answer is 18. 9 3s are. How much? So close third finger. 2, 7. So 27. So here answer is 27. 9 4s are. Equal to close fourth finger. So, okay. 3, 6. So the answer is 36. 9 5. Close fifth finger. 4, 5. So the answer is 45. Now 6 to 10. Try with fingers. Thank you.